Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, everyone. Make sure you guys subscribe. What are we gonna draw today?
A controller.
Your favorite thing?
No, it's not my favorite thing.
Okay, fine. All right, so we're gonna draw a controller, PlayStation 4 controller. Wait for me. Control yourself. I know you're excited.
Let's go.
Okay. All right, so when we start, what do we say?
Bismillah.
Bismillah. Okay, let's go. A straight line,
Uh-huh.
like, just go straight across like this.
Okay.
Oh, hold your paper. Oh, okay. All right, get ready. Okay.
Bismillah.
Okay, straight line, beautiful. Okay, that's maybe too big, but it's okay. We can do a big controller. We'll go down like this. Dun. Oh, and then like a hook. And we'll just stop. We'll just stop right here. We'll stop.
And then it's a little ticky, right?
Yeah. So down, straight down. Yeah. And then curve in. Okay, perfect. Stop. Nice. All right. So I'm gonna have to make mine longer, like yours a little bit. So,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna go up.
Okay.
Wait for me. Like right there.
How about the line?
So you can maybe stop like right up here, like go up to here. Right there, stop. Yeah. We'll go
Same thing, right?
down like that.
That looks like hand, but just it's not, right?
Curve.
That looks like hand, but it's not funny.
Yeah. So down, and then curve in. Okay, stop. So okay. You got a little excited there. Okay, and we're gonna go up on my side and stop like right here.
We're not gonna do it.
Like up a little bit right here. Like right here. Go up to the. Go a little bit higher maybe. Okay, stop. Okay, now we're gonna do a circle right here. Like.
Okay. Can you make it together?
Yeah, just a circle. Alright, and then we're gonna do another circle on this side. Like this. Connect it at the bottom. Like this. Like this. Yep. Wow, cool. We're gonna just do the tiny little PlayStation button, which is like right here. Just wait for me. Like that.
Okay.
In the middle, yeah. Perfect. Tiny. Nice. The direction pad, the D-pad. So we're gonna go over here on this
Together?
side. No, wait. So I'm gonna start from here and then do a big circle.
Why do a big circle?
And stop. So big circle. Yeah. Okay, and then we're gonna do a big circle on this side.
Okay.
Oh, you already did it before me. Wow. Just wait for me, buddy. Like this.
I know you're gonna do the same thing, that's why.
Yeah, I know, but you could have waited for me. Okay. So same. Okay. All right, and then we're gonna do the touchpad, that little black thing that they have. You know, so we do the big black rectangle, like this. Like this. Wait for me. Yeah, that one. Yeah, see? Okay. And then the little option button, it's like a little circle. Right here, beside this one, remember? Yep. And then on that side, we're gonna do the same thing. Nice. Okay, and then now we're gonna do the four circle buttons. Okay, so you're already ahead of it. Okay.
And then after X, what?
And then one here.
And then.
See?
Okay, but I did.
Oh, you did X. Yeah, you're right. So okay, and then another circle there, and then one on the top. Yep. Okay, so inside here is like an X.
I X'd by accident.
It's okay. Put a X there. Okay, leave yours in there. We'll just color it in, okay? Because it's so tiny.
Did it?
Okay. Then this one's a circle. Okay, and this is a triangle in here.
Okay.
And you guys can pause the video if I'm going too fast. Here's a square. Okay.
Okay.
Now we're gonna do the direction pad, which is like a
little
square
dots.
and a triangle, upside down triangle. So we're gonna do the first one, the top one. Wait. So it's like this, like this, and then a pointy triangle down. All like this. You can connect it better. I'll color it in later. Yep. And then the one beside it, like this. Like that.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, so you're done. So now can you wait for me since you already did yours? You're ahead of the game.
Okay, now are we done?
Literally the game, ahead of the game.
Are you done now?
No, almost.
Oh, just like a little ticket than these things, right?
Yeah, the shoulder buttons. This
The
one
one
here.
looks like right.
Like right there, up there. Yep, but connect it to a controller.
I can't.
And just do another one. Yeah, boom. And then put up there. You're excited. You're going ahead of me on almost everything because you know this controller very well. A U shape at the bottom because it's like different color. So we're gonna go here like this.
Done.
And then we'll go here like this.
Is it?
Like that. Okay. PlayStation, there's like a little speakers in the middle. I'll show you. Like you do like
I know.
like that. You go dot, 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 dot. Then you go dot, dot, dot.
Okay.
Like that. See? Add an extra circle inside of the D-pad.
Okay.
Like this. Inside of it.
Done.
Like that. Alright, so now we're going to color it. So we're going to speed it up and we'll be right back. Alright, so we just finished coloring in our controller. You have a nice rainbow controller. I would love to have that in real life. What do you think?
I want this one because this
No,
one's
no,
so
no.
cool.
I like yours. Yours is way better. It's so colorful. I can't. If we try to lose it or if it gets lost, you can easily find it. All right. So you guys can color any way you want. You could draw your controller however you want. I know you like playing games, but what's more important than playing games?
Frame.
Yes. When prayer time comes in, what do?
We
Drop
pray.
everything, right?
Drop everything and go pray right
Yeah,
away.
it's only a
and
few minutes.
immediately.
Yeah, a few minutes. Put the game on pause. Prayer is way more important than playing games. But yeah, in moderation, play a little bit. But you have to make sure you pray, okay? On time. Okay, see you guys next time, inshallah, okay? Assalamu alaikum. Bye.
Assalamu alaikum. Bye. Let's go.
We have someone new to the show. What's so funny? What's so funny? We're back at it, right? We're back. Are you ready? What's so funny? What's so funny?
Why are you laughing?
Why are you laughing? Because you're laughing. I don't know what's going on. Okay, let's go. Are you ready?
Yes. I'm Spider-Man motorcycle.
Okay, you just said you want to end it. And what else? What else should we tell them to do? Anything? No?
Just no laughing. Just
Okay, no laughing. Let's go. Okay, so we just finished coloring our controller.
A controller now. Bye bye. See you later. Now we're gonna go. Bye bye. See you later.
Okay, so hold on.
Let's go now. Bye bye. See you later.